Hello everyone, my name is Alexandria Bontrigger. I live on a farm in northeast Kansas with my parents and my siblings currently. I am a recent graduate of Fulton High School where I spent all 13 years of my educational career. My favorite activities in high school were the Kansas Association for Youth, which is a leadership training service organization unique to Kansas. I served as president for 3 years as well as a state president for 1 year. My main duties as president were to organize and see service projects out. My favorite service projects that we completed were the donation of a water bottle filling station to the Holton High School, as well as the donation of more than $700 worth of merchandise to the Topeka Rescue Mission through our initiative Socks of Love. I also participated in track and field where I ran the 400, the 4x4, the 800, and I also threw the discus. My favorite experience in high school was research at Washburn University. During my senior year, I had a very unique experience and was able to take courses as well as research on campus at Washburn University. My research projects included the mapping of the genome of the Drosophila elegans fruit fly through Washington University in St. Louis, as well as preparing telephonin proteins for cloning and structural studies so that we could further understand mutations that lead to limb-girdle muscular dystrophy. Through my research, I also had the opportunity to present at Washburn University's annual research fair called Aperon, where I presented my research to professors, faculty, staff, and students who were present at the fair. Moving on from my high school experience, I will be attending Kansas State University in the fall of 2016, where I will be majoring in microbiology with minors in women's studies and Spanish. At Kansas State University, I will continue to pursue extracurricular activities. I am on the women's rowing team. I'm currently training to prepare for the season. I train twice a day. Lots of running, lots of lifting, lots of exercise. I'm very tired, I'm very sore, I need to stretch. It's just how it is. I'm very excited for this opportunity. I think it will be a challenge, but I think it will be very, very rewarding. I am also a member of K-State's InterVarsity, which is a Christian organization that focuses on fostering relationships with Christ in college-age students. I think this will be a great opportunity to lay the foundation on which I will build the rest of my life in Christ. So those are the activities that I'm very excited about and passionate about at Kansas State University. I will also be rushing to join a sorority perhaps in the fall. So that is my experience at Kansas State University so far. After I graduate from Kansas State University with my degree in microbiology, I plan to pursue professional school to get my MD PhD. Getting my MD PhD will allow me to have a career as a research physician. As a research physician, I will be qualified to research as well as have patient interaction and do patient care. At this point, I am interested in specializing in either neurology, which is the study of the nervous system, or endocrinology, which is the study of hormones and their role in the human body. My favorite hormone is oxytocin, which is also known as the cuddle hormone or the love hormone. It plays a very large role in human bonding as well as, interestingly, lactation and the birthing process. In neurology, there is a lot of demand at this point for study and research as well as treatment and prevention of neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's that are characterized by a degeneration of the nervous tissue as well as the function. Recently, I have begun to dive into some research topics in neurology, mostly focusing on histone deacetylases and their role in the development and prevention of neurodegenerative diseases. I think this will be a great field to be in as a researcher as well as a physician, especially with an aging population. As you can see, I'm very excited about the future and all the opportunities and experiences, good and bad, that wait for me in the world. And while I have these plans and while I have these dreams, there's no telling what's actually going to happen. I don't make the plans, I just go with it and try to make the best of it. So here we are, and we're ready to go. So I hope through my college experience and through the rest of my education that I will be able to pursue my passions in science and medicine as well as develop my faith and drink lots of coffee. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to future interactions.